Hey everybody, how are you? Do me a favor, hit the like button before we get started and the subscribe button. So today I'm going to talk about the US dollar and this whole move. So we have moved towards AI. They're ramping up the electric vehicle move. That has slowed down, but they're getting ready to ramp that back up. And what is the other move? What's the other move? Feel free to leave it in the comments. So the other move is the move to digital currency. And so I have been investing for a long time now. I'm interested in people who are not in the stock market. Perhaps you don't trust the stock market or you just haven't been exposed to it. If that's you, join my wait list below for the investment group. But we're going to talk about the US dollar. What if the US dollar is in trouble? So Jerome Powell, he just spoke recently. He spoke yesterday, as a matter of fact, and he was talking about inflation. He was saying that inflation is easing, but that is still high. We're nowhere near this 2% mark that they're aiming for. He's saying that the labor market is strong. So that depends on who you talk to, right? There is still discrimination when it comes to the workplace. Um, People you see hanging around on the corners, um, they're there because people will not hire them. Like that's a real thing. Even say if you just graduated from a school, say you just graduated from medical school, there are people out there that will not hire you. And that's a real thing, discrimination when it comes to hiring. So, according to Jerome Powell, the labor market is strong. I would say that depends on who you talk to. So, Jerome Powell was mentioning inflation, saying that inflation is still high. They still plan to decrease the interest rates 3 times this year. Last year, they were predicting that they would decrease it by 6 times. So now they're predicting a decrease by 3 times this year. Some people are talking about recession again. Remember last year, we would always hear recession, people wondering when is the recession coming? Well, there are talks about that again, about a recession. They're looking for this inverted yield curve. And some people are buying bonds as opposed to stocks. So the people that are buying bonds already have like a huge amount of assets, and they're putting some of their assets into bonds, which is around 5%. So that's what some people are doing. So, as far as real estate goes, with the commercial real estate, um, that is coming due. The loans are getting ready to come due the end of 2025. And some people will not be able to borrow money because of the high vacancy rate, and they won't be able to pay this loan that's coming due. So we will see what happens with that, whether more banking crisis, if we'll see that happening, or if we see small banks going out of business, we will see what happens as far as that goes. But there is this move, this underground move to digital currency. And so you already know that some people are afraid of the stock market. That's why they aren't in there. Um, but the stock market is very important when it comes to building wealth. So, in this instance, where the US dollar could be in trouble, and at the same time, there's this move to digital currency, what I'm doing is diversifying. So instead of putting all my eggs in one basket, stocks, 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 diversifying. So we already know that this move is coming, digital currency. And why is this move coming? It's for more control and more surveillance. So some people are aware of the surveillance, other people are not aware of the surveillance. So they would like to increase this level of surveillance and they would like to increase this control. Hence, this slow, silent move to digital currency. They can track everything that's going on, everything you're spending your money on. Um, Seems like they could do that now, but it'll be on a more intense level, digital currency. So, with the fact that the US dollar may be in trouble because of this transition, also there is a fight with other countries for economic power. You know about BRICS, right? So people are not cool with just letting uh, the US be in control of everything. So there's this fight over economic power. And so, that being said, what I'm doing is diversifying. So, real estate is very important. Um, Even though I may be moving slower than other people, it's better to be moving because there are people out here who are not trying, people out here who are not even trying. So, slow movement is better than no movement. So, real estate. And, with real estate, you have to have money, right? So generally people borrow money, whether that be hard money, DSCR loans. The bank is not giving you any money, especially if you're black. So um, where's the money coming from the real estate? It is coming from the DSCR loan, debt service coverage ratio loan. That loan is better than the hard money loan. The interest rate is a little better. Also, it does not require for you to be employed. So you can actually get this loan and be unemployed. Say something happened. Hello, Lasham, how are you? Say something happened, especially in these times. People are losing jobs, getting fired. Well, acquiring real estate does not depend on you having a job. So you can still get a loan. It's called a DSCR loan. And this loan is for real estate investors. They have you in mind as a real estate investor. And so, what I'm doing is I already have property, but when you are building, the more you build, that's going to take money, right? It's going to take money. It's a lot harder than stocks. So that's going to take money. So slow movement is better than no movement. All right. Um, so that's what I'm doing, diversifying. Real estate is very important. That's a hard asset. Hard assets are important. Um, Gold, thinking about gold, actual physical gold, not the gold that you get on the phone and buy. Because you can be on your phone buying gold, right? So actual physical gold, actual physical silver, and crypto. I do have crypto, but I'm very careful with crypto. As far as crypto goes, I do dollar cost average in crypto, but it's only money that I'm willing to lose when it comes to crypto. Also, that is a small percentage of my portfolio. Some people are bulls when it comes to crypto. And, some people have lost a lot of money in crypto. But then on the other hand, there are people that have become millionaires and billionaires. And if you stay in it long enough and you have it in the right place, you will become a millionaire or a billionaire with crypto. But with crypto, you have to be very careful It has to be in the right place. You can't just put it anything. You can't just put it anywhere. So that is what I am doing, diversifying. And a lot of people are not concerned about this move, this silent move, because money is not important to everyone. Uh, Also, some people don't have money, so why would they be concerned? You know what I mean? So, yeah, everybody's in their different circumstances, and that's fine. I am not judging. Different things are important to different people, right? But the slow, steady building is better than not trying. And there are people out here that are not trying. All right. So that's all I would like to leave with you today. The importance of hard assets. Very important. Real estate, gold, silver, crypto. And then still the stocks, because the stocks is building your wealth. All right. So that's what I'm doing, diversifying. So feel free to let me know what you're doing and what your opinion is. All right. So I'm going to leave right now. And what I would like for you to do is on your way out, hit the like button. It helps other people to see the channel. Hit the subscribe button. And also, if you're not in the stock market and you would like to know how to invest, learn more about what investing is, I've been doing that for a long time. So feel free to join the wait list. Slow movement is better than no movement. All right. So I am going to get out of here now. So everyone have a good rest of your day. And on your way out, don't forget, hit that like button. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a good night. Bye for now.